All right, what's on today's agenda other than more wind and another cold front running through? It's crazy. It's been crazy. So I'm going to build a composting toilet. Going to go on a trip, hopefully soon. And this is my portable toilet that I got from Amazon. It's a fold-up toilet. $20. I got it on sale for $20. So that was a good price. I got the toilet liners from Amazon as well. I buy them by the bulk. What prompted this was I cannot find any pine pellets right now. And I thought, a composting toilet might be kind of nice. So I always double line this thing. You never know when a bag's going to leak. And actually, nothing should be going on to these bags, but just in case. Yeah, it's pretty windy. Oh, goodness. So I'm going to put a second liner in this toilet here. Okay, so the second liner is in. All right, so toilet diverter, Amazon, $45. Trash bag from Walmart, or trash bag, litter container, 98 cents from Walmart. This one is used because this is the one I use in the van. But I'm going to use it for this purpose now. Empty detergent bottle. Put it in here, like so. There we go. Okay, let's hope that the winds don't blow my camera over. It can't take many more hits. So right here is the trash container. Right here, we'll call this the pee bottle. Get down here. The diverter will actually fit over all that. Perfect. Just perfect. Wow. There we go. Clicked in. So there we go. Perfect. I'm going to put, just for example, we're going to line this number 2 part. Double bag it too. I always double bag. With a simple Walmart bag. And if you can't get these in your location, just buy the small trash bags and that'll work too. There we go. In there. Okay. $2.98. Or maybe $3.98. It might be $3.98. Anyhow, yeah. So pour some of that in there. I know if I open this bag, it's going to blow all over the place. And I don't really need to open it right now. But yes, so I would put the pine shavings in here. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot. There's the pee jug. There's the poo jug. This thing fits right over it. I just have to kind of move. Oh, yeah. And this has a wide mouth. So that helps too. So that will fit onto this part right here. Awesome, huh? Very nice. There we go. Fits right in there. Kind of. There we go. Everything's in there. Perfect. Snap everything into place, and we're good to go. Awesome job. This, actually, that needs to go down just a little bit more. Okay, it won't go past that. Okay, let's get that back up on there. Push the sides in. There we go. That lined back up because that would be, yeah, catastrophe. All right, I might get a little tube to fit on that in case it shifts, because I think it shifted. Anyhow, with a little bit of tweaking and experimentation, this will work just great. Cool. You know what? I already had a hose from this oil funnel that I've never used. So, perfect. So I was able to manage it in there, and I'll just cut it off and stick it in the jug. That way, no accidents. Okay, I'm going to leave a decent amount, but not a lot. I think that should do it. Oh yeah, that'll definitely do it. Oh wow, that's too easy to cut actually. All right. I can flatten it back out too because I kind of smashed it a little bit. Okay, that'll be perfect. And there you go. Awesome. Very cool, very cool. Okay, very nice, very nice. I hope these work. I think it'll be fine. I mean, I'm not going to have it sitting there for months, just not even days. I'll be dumping it every day. So that'll work. That'll work. But yes, do properly dump this. Don't just dump it on the ground and that's nasty. That's nasty. Don't do that. I can't tell you how many campsites I've stayed at where there's been poo and toilet paper all over the ground, and that's nasty. Nobody wants that when you're out for a pleasant camping experience. So, very nice. But yes, do properly dispose of the goods. Total cost of the project. This was, I believe it was $398. My toilet, I got it on sale for $20. The diverter was $45. The little white trash can was 98 cents. And the detergent bottle I already had. And this was, I might have to get a taller one if I can find a taller one. That's the problem. I can't find a tall one. The hammock, no, not a hammock, Ottoman was from Walmart for about $15. Not a bad deal. A lot cheaper than one of those $1,000 toilets. A lot cheaper. Also, make sure to hang on to your lid for the detergent container, now known as the pee container, because you'll want this. I can throw it in that unit over there, but you'll want this for if you stop off at rest areas or what have you, so you can pour the jug down the toilet, rinse it out, and then reuse it. I'll put this in the van for now until I take my next trip. Thank you for watching, and live the life you love.